I hope all of are doing very well. Today's topic was how to use the ChatGPT while you do reading the book. Suppose you are try to reading the book. First you did not understand the proper meaning of that sentence of the book. You will copy this book. You will read the book in e-PDF. Type in your mobile or laptop. You can copy the sentence and paste that sentence in ChatGPT. Then ask meaning of the sentence and give the strong vocabulary meaning, Telugu meaning. This type of activities this type of you can use the ChatGPT while reading the book. Suppose you did not understand proper meaning, you can ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT it easily tells that meaning of the word and full sentence meanings. I use the daily book reading when book reading. I use ChatGPT when I read the book, reading the book. This type of activities you can do. ChatGPT will improve your understanding, book and reading understanding. Suppose you daily read the 5 or 10 pages if in your leisure, then only you will get the understanding of the reading English. Then after you will become a good fluencer, good English speaker, good English fluency speaker. Then after you will try to also increase the vocabulary while reading the book. Suppose you did not how to read the book while using the ChatGPT. You can read the one paragraph, and that paragraph you can understand some meaning. You can analyze. You can analyze that meaning with ChatGPT translation meaning. Compare your imagination before before asking the ChatGPT. Then after asking ChatGPT, this comparison, that meaning is similar matched to matched with your reading, your imaginary part of the book reading, and ChatGPT also gives the clarity meaning of that paragraph. At beginner stage you will understand the some meanings, not fully understand. Some 90% of meaning, paragraph meaning, you will match with the ChatGPT. Suppose when doctor is wake up, the crowd was being at the front of his door. This meaning I read the yesterday when another reading the book, but I will that meaning is I understand the doctor is going to every door to door when wake up. This the crowd was seeing the doctor, but the actual meaning of that meaning is doctor waking our door, crowd was coming to morning. This type of misunderstanding I will understand it. This type of misunderstanding I will get when I reading the book. This type of simple meaning you will understand, but you can daily practicing reading book and understanding the book with ChatGPT. You will improve your understanding skills of the English language. When you are writing the English PDF, I must suggest use the PDF. You use the English PDFs, not physical books. Physical books you can type the ChatGPT full code into the ChatGPT. That takes more time. You will download the PDFs. Then you can copy that line, that paragraph, and paste it within the minutes, within half minute. This type of activities is best. I suggestion to you to read the books only. Without booking, you will read only PDFs, English e-PDFs. This type of activities you will do improve your English fluency. Then after, your English understanding skills is improves. Daily reading the books and vocabulary also improves. When you ask the vocabulary in separate, when you paragraph, when you ask paste the paragraph into the chat GPT, then ask translate the Telugu and give the vocabulary words, and then chat GPT gives the Telugu translation and under the vocabulary words and with Telugu meaning. You will read the Telugu paragraph. Then after, you will read the each one sentence loudly, displaying and Telugu meaning. Then only your subconscious mind recognized in subconscious mind store that vocabulary words in proper way. This type of activities you can do. You will improve your English fluency very daily. At beginner stage, you did not understand. Slowly, you will brain adapting to understanding the books, understanding the reading books. You can first identify only which tense this is, which tense which is this positive, this line is positive voice or active voice, and which sense it is in this syntax. This type of activities you can do. You will understand then after, you will understand the English story. Okay friends, this is today topic is over.